In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your email signature. Adding your Calendly link to your email signature is a simple way to let people book time with you without going back and forth. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to grab your Calendly link and place it neatly in your email so it appears on every message you send. First, open Calendly and go to your scheduling page. This is where all of your meeting types or event types are listed. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and look for the event you want people to be able to book, like a general meeting or an introduction call. You can use any active event type here. On that scheduling page, find the event you want and click on the option to copy its link. This is often labeled as copy link or shown as a share icon. When you click it, Calendly automatically copies the unique booking link to your clipboard. This is the URL that anyone can use to see your availability and schedule a time with you, so it's what we want to place in your email signature. Now that the link is copied, go to your email. Open the email provider you normally use, such as your work or personal inbox. Wait for the inbox to load completely so all the formatting and toolbar options are available. Next, click on the option to compose a new email. Even though we're not actually sending this message, composing a new email is an easy way to access your signature editor or at least see how your signature currently looks. Once the new message window is open, make sure your signature is visible at the bottom of the email body. In the toolbar of the Compose window, look for the Insert Link icon. This usually looks like a small chain or link symbol. Click on that icon to open the link dialog box. In the field for the web address or URL, paste the Calendly link you copied earlier. In the text field, you can type something clear and inviting, like "schedule a meeting with me" or "book time on my calendar." Finally, place that linked text where you want it inside your email